Dictionary. Okay, girls, now listen to me. Today's our topic is dictionary entry, which is you have the question 30th. So now we are going to revise once again on this topic. So how the dictionary entry will give you. Once you have to be check it out. Yeah, you can see one example first. The question will be asked like this. He gave the one of the thought is a word is given here. So in this word, anything he will be asked any two questions. So based on the answer only on here only. If you see this pic, you can see here the thought is a word is there. Beside there is having one script that is a phonetical script. This is the phonetical script. Phonics. He will ask the question once like this. What is the phonic script of thought? Maybe he will ask the question like that also. So that is the one of phonic script. Keep your remember. Next, when you have to become to that. See here in the bracket, the verb is given. What is verb? Why here given the verb? Verb is nothing but it is a parts of speech. Here the thought is a verb. Is which type of a parts of speech? It is a verb. If the question asked what is the parts of speech, the above word, he will ask like this. You have to say the answer is as verb. And beside only it's given in the bracket VN. What is the VN means? What is the VN means? Means same question is asked. Here the options also given: verbal noun, verb transitive, visual noun. What is those? He will be asked. So you can write the right answer. What is that one? Is it a verbal noun? A verb transitive? Already you know verbs. Transitive verbs, intransitive verbs are there. So we have to know the answer is a B. Verb in transitive. VI also he will ask. VIT asked means intransitive verb. TV also transitive verb, intransitive verb. He will ask like that. So let us see which type of questions will be asked in the dictionary. So let's see what is happened. First onwards, so we have to be concentrate on which type of questions will be asked in the examination based on these dictionary reference skills. So here carefully listen. The questions will be focused on meaning or different shades of meaning. Maybe he will ask different types of meanings of the given word. Second question may be the asked parts of speech. The words belongs to which type of parts of speech. Already you know the parts of speech. So when you are finding the answer parts of speech, they given in the short form. You should not be writing short form. You have to be writing full form. Okay. And what is the full form? They will he will ask the like this. Sorry. One minute, girls. Full forms ఇస్తాడు మీకు ఎలా అడుగుతాడు అంటే ఫుల్ ఫామ్ అడగొచ్చు మేబీ parts of speech అంటే ఇచ్చిన వర్డ్ ఏ parts of speech లో అని ఉందను ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ it has in the question A D J you have to be find out it is a which kind of a verb it is which kind of a parts of speech adjective అని రాయాలి కంప్లీట్ గా రాయాలి ఆన్సర్ మీరు అక్కడ ఏడీజే ఇచ్చారని మీరు కూడా ఏడీజే అని రాశారనుకోండి ఇట్స్ రాంగ్ మెథడ్ టు మెన్షన్ ద ఆన్సర్ యూ వోంట్ గెట్ ద ఫుల్ మార్క్స్ ఆల్సో సో యూ షుడ్ బి sometimes you won't get the marks also if you write like the answer you should be write the answer completely adjective okay so that is the one of the short form to write in full form. Next, the question will be asked the synonym. Ichina word ki synonym adagochu, antonym adagochu. Leda he will be asked a phrasal verb. Otherwise, collocation given under the entry. Verb conjugation means regular verb conjugation means here regular, irregular verbs also he will be asked. Means V1, V2, V3 forms also he will be asked. Or idiomatic expression also he will. Someone noise. Hemalata, Hemalata, mute yourself.
Madam.
Mute చేసుకోమ్మా పక్కన సౌండ్ వస్తుంది చూడు. Very good. Now listen. So idiomatic expressions. Every answer will be in the above given question only, ma. Just you find out the answer and you have to be write it. So let us see the full form of the short forms. If the question giving the n, that's the meaning of noun. So abbreviation, dictionary used in abbreviations used in the dictionary. Keep a screenshot. All of you take a screenshot and find out this pronoun ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి. what is the adjective అంటే PRON అని ఉంటుంది అక్కడ. మీరు ఫుల్ గా రాయాలి pronoun ని. ADJ ఉంటే adjective, V ఉంటే verb, ADV ఉంటే adverb, PREP ఉంటే preposition. While you're writing the answer, full form you should be write it. Next, come to that another observation. Con means conjugation. Verb యొక్క conjugation form రాయాలి. V1, V2, V3 form లో ఏది ఉంటుంది. INT చూడండి. INT అంటే interjection. So interjection, what is the interjection? Already you know, exclamatory mark ఉంటుంది interjection అంటే. PT అంటే phonetic transcription. PT always having the main word పక్కనే ఉంటుంది. స్లాష్ మార్క్స్ పక్కనే ఉంటుందమ్మా. దాన్ని ఫొనెటిక్ స్క్రిప్ట్ అని అంటారు. వర్డ్ యొక్క ఫొనెటిక్ స్క్రిప్ట్ అని అంటారు. సో PT means here phonetic transcription because easy to pronounce. That's why they given the phonetic script of the word. Syllables కూడా వచ్చు. Based on the vowels అడగవచ్చు syllables. Next abbreviation. C means countable noun. U means uncountable nouns. సిలబల్స్ అంటే మీరు భయపడకండి ఏమో అనేది అక్కడ డివైడ్ చేస్తాము. కాంజుగేషన్ అంటాం కదా. కంజంక్షన్ అనే వర్డ్ ఉంది. కంజంక్షన్. ఓకే, నౌ లిసన్. సో syllabus అంటే ఏం లేదు, ఒక వర్డ్ ని డివైడ్ చేయడము. సో better to be, you have to be understands in these 8 topics only. You have to be keeping your mind these 8 topics and prepared countable noun. C means countable noun. చూడండి ఇక్కడ T, just he given here T. Sometimes it will be asked VT లేదా sometimes he will ask VT అయినా అడగొచ్చు లేదా TV అయినా అడగొచ్చు లేదా just T also he can ask. Anything in the form of it will ask. You should be understand it is a transitive verb. Now come to that 14th question. IT means intransitive verb. సింగులర్ ఇచ్చిన వర్డ్ కి సింగులర్ ప్లూరల్ కూడా మీరు అక్కడే ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి చూసుకోవచ్చు. పాస్ట్ పార్టిసిపుల్ మీన్స్ V3 form. Past tense means V2 form. He will be asked the word which is given as a question. You have to find out what is the past participle. Akkade ichuntaru. Just you have PP annadu anko V3, PT annadu anko past tense. You have to be right like this. Got it? Keep in your mind these words what you have to be understand. Now let us another one. See here little bit concentrate on it. Here given 1 minute man STH means something. SB ఉంటుంది question. What is the full form of SB అని అడగొచ్చు. Somebody. STH means something. SYN means what is the word synonym. Write the synonym. Sometimes the word given you have 2 synonyms. Keep in your mind. 2 synonyms ఇచ్చింటాడు. 2 synonyms meaning రాయాలంటాడు. Antonyms. ANT అని రాశారు అనుకోండి antonyms. Opposite word. He will ask the opposite word also. What is the opposite word of the given word? You should be find out. Phrasal verb. PHR.V. So this is the short forms and full forms. Now come to that another one. Idiom. What is the idiom of every sentence having the idiom? So that is idiom. Suffix, prefix. AWL they want to ask, but keep in your mind academic word list. This is Australian English. Manaku number of English unnai. Australian, American, British English. So we are following British English. BRE means British English. Okay. Now come to that here. Just keep in your mind this one also. Formal meaning, informal. Here you have to be remember mainly this one. DET. It is also one of the parts of speech. What is DET? DET means determiners. Determiners. Determiners means is nothing but adjective kani articles kani ఉంటుంది. Adjective or articles. Adjective or articles. మనము పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ స్పీచ్ 8 అని నేర్చుకున్నాము. ప్రెసెంట్ న్యూ ఇంగ్లీష్ మెథడ్ లో 9 పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ స్పీచ్, దట్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది డిటర్మినర్. ఈ డిటర్మినర్స్ ఇంతకు ముందు మనము adjective లోనే చెప్పుకునే వాళ్ళం. బట్ నౌ it is as separated as articles. Determinants is nothing but articles. We have to be learned in adjective only. So you have to keep in your mind det means determiners. It is also one type of a parts of speech. This is also parts of speech. ఇది కూడా పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ స్పీచే. మీకు ఒక్కొక్కసారి అరే పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ స్పీచ్ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినాడు, ప్రిపోజిషన్ లేదు, అడ్జెక్టివ్ లేదు, అడ్వర్బ్ లేదు, ఓన్లీ డిఈటి ఉంది. వాట్ ఈస్ డిఈటి? డోంట్ బి కన్ఫ్యూజ్. డిఈటి మీన్స్ డిటర్మినర్స్. డిటర్మినర్స్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో కమ్స్ అండర్ ద పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ స్పీచ్. ఓకే, keep in your mind this one determinants. Degrees, already you know degrees. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. PD అంటే positive degree, and CD means comparative degree, SD means superlative degree. Already you know these are all things. Now let us go for another slide. See this collocations. Collocation, what is the meaning of collocation? Once you have to be remember. Why? Because the collocation words also he will be asked. Yes, is there any problem to anyone? Have you heard my voice clearly now to everybody? Okay,
Yes,
if you have any problem, you can message me. What is your problem, ma? What's the problem, girls? If you won't get the volume, you can increase your volume.
అక్కడక్కడ కట్ వస్తుంది వాయిస్.
ఓకే ఓకే, క్లియర్ గా ఉండు. నీ చుట్టుపక్కన సౌండ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది కదా, కొంచెం సైడ్ కి వచ్చేసి ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? మిగతా వాళ్ళకి ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు కదరా? నోబడి హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లం? సో లెట్ us I'll be continue the class collocation word. So these also they will be asked. Collocation is nothing but an agreement of words. Another elements equally those that commonly co-occur means two words కలిపి word form అవుతుంది. చూడండి, another word లేదా head word కలిసి ఉంటుంది. For example ఇక్కడ bright. Example చూడండి, bright light. Bright is one another word, light is another word. Two words form as a bright అనేది మనకి adjective, harsh light, strong light. We can be take like this. Okay, verb noun, verbal noun collocation words form అవుతాయి. Words ఒక head say when make it the word as a different two words, they give separate meaning. When both are formed as a collocation, so it give a same meaning. Okay, so this type of words have to be collocation. On this basis, once in the dictionary skills symbols కూడా ఉంటాయమ్మా. Sometimes they will ask question also, they will be asked. See the question given this type of mark. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చాడా, ఈ సింబల్ ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి, అంటే ఈ సింబల్ ఇచ్చి పక్కన some sentences he wrote. So what we have to be understand this sentence is nothing but what the main question is given, what main word is given, that word is repeated here, replace that word. అంటే ఆ పదం మళ్ళీ అక్కడ రావాలి అని అర్థం, అంతే, ఏమీ లేదు. ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ లో మనకి ఇచ్చింటాడు కదా ఏ వర్డ్ అనేది, ఆ వర్డ్ యొక్క మీనింగ్ అన్ని ఇచ్చింటాడు, అదే వర్డ్ మళ్ళీ అక్కడ రీప్లేస్ అవ్వాలి అని అర్థం. When you have to come to that square box which is filled with a dark color, that is what is the meaning of, shows a new part of speech in an entry. So this a symbol is showing parts of speech. Now another one which is look like arrow mark shows some derivatives. Derivatives can, 1 minute. Can be easily understood from the meaning of the word from which they are derived. Head word. So ఇది మీనింగ్ ని సింబల్స్ రిప్లేస్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఎక్కువగా మీకు అడిగే ఛాన్సెస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది అంటే దీని మీద ఉంటుంది. కీప్ ఇన్ యువర్ మైండ్. సో మేబీ హీ విల్ ఆస్క్ ద దట్ సేమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ సింబల్స్. ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ different questions may be asked. Given next, you have to see the circle mark in head word. Head word దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. It effect shows where a word can be broken. ఇది ఏం చేస్తుంది మనం చెప్పాను కదా, సిలబస్ చెప్పానండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఓకే, వెరీ సూన్ ద క్లాస్ విల్ బి గోయింగ్ ఆన్ ఫాస్ట్. ఐ బి చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒకటి వర్డ్ రాస్తాను. నేను ఇది రాస్తానండి, కన్ జంక్షన్. సో మనం వర్డ్ని ఇలా సిలబుల్ వైజ్గా డివైడ్ చేస్తాం. డివైడ్ చేసినప్పుడు దానిని ఈ సింబల్తో గుర్తు చేస్తారు. ఓకేనా, సిలబుల్ వైజ్గా డివైడ్ చేయడాన్ని దాంతో మనము డివైడ్ చేస్తాము. ఓకే, now let us see another what is the given the both side. This symbol is shows to the phrasal verbs. Phrasal verb ni sometimes he want you phrasal verb యొక్క షార్ట్ ఫామ్ ఏమని చూసాము అప్పుడు మనము PHR dash V అని ఇట్లా ఉంటుంది. Sometimes they will be asked this type of arrow mark. If you see this type of mark, it is refers to the phrasal verb. So keep in your mind the symbol also. Next is shows a word from the Oxford New Dictionary వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు ఆక్స్ఫర్డ్ 3000 డిక్షనరీ వచ్చింది. దాని యొక్క కీ దాంట్లో ఉంటుంది అని అర్థం, కీ మార్క్ అది. నెక్స్ట్ కమ్ టు దట్ షోస్ వర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ అకాడమిక్ వరల్డ్ లిస్ట్. సో ఆ ఇచ్చిన పదము ఆ డిక్షనరీలో అకాడమిక్ వరల్డ్ లిస్ట్ లో నుంచి వచ్చింది అని అర్థం. ఓకేనా, సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ కీప్ ఇన్ యువర్ మైండ్. They won't ask this question, just you have to be keep in your mind. Now come to that one example, bent. Bent is given. What is the phonetic form of this word? Anyone can say? ఇక్కడ ఉంది phonetic script, ఎక్కడ ఉంది చూసారు కదా. Where is the phonetic script? This is the phonetic script which is having in the slash mark. What is the word of which parts of speech is a given word, ma? Can anyone answer?
Adjective, madam.
Very good. Adjective undi. Inkokati kuda undi. Another one also is there. Yeah, noun is also given. Yeah, noun is also given. Okay, someone are giving the arrow mark. Okay, not bad. Rub it. So what is the idiomatic expression of this word bent? What is the idiomatic expression of the bent?
Ongoing. Bent on, madam. Bent on.
Okay. What is the meaning of STH?
Something.
STH means
Something.
Okay. See here, the word is here. One of the symbol is given here. I will be round off that symbol. You can tell me what is the symbol here given. Bent has to be come back. The word has to be replaced here. The word has to be replaced there once again. Replace avali. Edi chudandi noun akkada. Bent a natural skill or interest in something. She has bent for mathematics. She has bent for and bent and enti skill, natural skill. Ame math lo chaala baga chestundi ani artham akkada artham. Can you understand this one? Here different kinds of words is given. Keep in your mind. Next example kedam manamu ikkada baga vachindi chudandi. Thought is given here. The meaning VN means. Cheppandi ippudu VN means
Verb
transitive. Okay, what is the meaning of SB?
Somebody.
Yeah, somebody. Okay. What is the phonetic script? ఎక్కడ ఉంది చూపియండి, అండర్లైన్ చేసి. Where is the phonetic script? The thought word. Yeah, very good. Who's that girl? Shows to me Sandhya chupichindi. Okay, Pratyusha, Priyanka. Very good. Very nice, girls. That is the phonetic script. Short form of the phonetic script. Transcription. Phonetic Okay, good. Anna chupistunnaru. Very nice it to see. Now next other question. Thigh. Parts of, what is the parts of speech of the thigh? Tell me which answer is sure. I will ask you.
Determiner. Determiner, madam. Determiner. Determiner, madam.
Someone, when you are giving the answer at that time only, you have to be answer. Unmute and answer. Okay, tell me. I'm posing the another question which is not here. What is the meaning of the word third? What is the meaning? It is a old usage English.
You are, madam.
You are, yeah, right answer. You are. Someone is circle the answer. Yeah, Venkateshwari circle the answer. Okay, you are is the meaning of that word. Now let us see another question. We have to go to for practice. Theme. Okay, in this question here again, what does you stand for? I will ask the
Uncountable. Countable.
girls, don't give a group answer. I will be asking one. Okay, you means uncountable noun. Very good. You means uncountable noun. Okay, erase it. You are making a mark. What is the phonetic script of this word? Yeah, Hamida underlined. Okay. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Okay, erase it, ma. Very nice. You've given the answer. Now let us another question. Now one word substitute. Shall we go for another one word substitute? Already you know the one word substitutes. Words which is on tomb. Now let us practice the question. Words inscribed on a tomb. So చెప్పండి దీనికి answer.
Epitaph, madam. Yeah, madam.
Very good answer. Epitaph is the right answer. Epitaph is the right answer. Now next, shall we go for another one? A perfect example of something. A perfect example of something. Epitome answer. D is the right answer, girl. D is the right answer. C, B, wrong answer. Say Daisy. The answer is D. D is the right answer. Yeah, D is the right answer. D is the right answer. Keep in your mind. D is the right answer, ma. For the 9th question, answer is the D. D. Now let us go for another one. Okay. A perfect example of something. A perfect example of something. Epi? B answer. B. Screen you are writing in when you the answer that I don't know. One who devotes her service or wealth for the love of mankind. What do you have to be say this answer?
Episteme.
Anyone can answer the question? Dina Kumari? Soumya? Can you answer the question? What is
మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ కావాలా?
Yes, join the class. Yes, ma, join the class. Continue. The class is going on to continue. Don't make noise.
ఓకే